Express the given fraction into partial fractions. The first step is to check the degree of this x. The degree of x in the numerator is 1. The highest degree in the denominator is 2. So numerator degree is less than denominator degree. So we can proceed this because this is the proper fraction. The next step is to factorize the denominator. If you already have the factors, you can proceed, but this need to be factorized. So when you take two numbers, you should get 30. Means 3 into 10, 30. So when you add the same two numbers, you should get 13. This 13. 3 and 10 will work out. 3 and 10 is 30. 3 plus 10 is 13. So the factors are x plus 3 into x plus 10. But this is not done yet. Because we multiplied this 3 with this 10, we need to divide this by 3. Just simplify this. It will be 1. So this is x plus 1. Here we cannot simplify this. So you take this 3 and multiply with this x. So 3x plus 10. So these are our factors. So replace this with this factors. So let 5x plus 12 divided by 3x square plus 13x plus 10 can be written as we have two factors and the degree also 1 on this. We can write this as a by x plus 1 plus b by 3x plus 10. Now take the common denominators here, means LCM. So left hand side will be 5x plus 12 divided by 3x square plus 13x plus 10. The right hand side will be x plus 1 into 3x plus 10. So this a will be multiplied with 3x plus 10. B will be multiplied with x plus 1. These two will get cancelled because these two are same. It's left with 5x plus 12 equal to a into 3x plus 10 plus b into x plus 1. To find the value of a, we need to substitute x equal to minus 1 in this side. When x is equal to minus 1, substitute minus 1 in this equation. 5 into minus 1 plus 12 equal to a into 3 into minus 1 plus 10 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. So this will be 0. Here it will be minus 3 plus 10. So it will be 7a will be here. This side minus 5 plus 12 will be 7. This is 7 equal to 7a. So 7a equal to 7. A equal to 7 divided by 7 equal to 1. So the value of a is equal to 1. Now we need to find the value of b. So we will substitute x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 5 into 0 plus 12 equal to a into 3 into 0 plus 10 plus b into 0 plus 1. So this side becomes 12 is equal to, here it will be 0, so 10a plus b. Substitute the value of a equal to 1 into this. So 12 equal to 10 plus b. So b equal to 2. So this is the b. Know the value of a and b now. So we will replace it here. 5x plus 12 divided by 3x square plus 13x plus 10 is equal to 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 2 divided by 3x plus 10. So this is our answer. We have a single fraction here which is separated into two fractions. This is called partial fractions.